Hello, scholars. How are you? This is Mr. C.L. Gautam on YouTube, English Confluence. Today, I am about to share some important characters from David Copperfield. Scholars, if you have not seen part 1, so see that other main characters are given there for the viewpoint of exams for all candidates. So without getting delay, let's get started. Character sketch of Dora. Dora is a loving daughter of Mr. Spenlow. She is still young and innocent. She is very pure and pious by heart and soul. She is very beautiful, attractive, and charming girl. She loves her dog Jeep very much. She is childish and irresponsible girl. She is unable to take care of her household. David loves her and marries with her, but after a year and a half, she fell seriously ill and died. David attended her like a loving husband. We can say that Dora is the symbol of purity and innocence. She is irresponsible and careless girl. Okay, next character sketch of Agnes. Agnes Wickfield. Agnes is a loving daughter of Mr. Wickfield. Agnes' mother is dead. Her father is a drunkard, Sarabi. She takes care of her father and her house. टेक केयर परवाह करती है अपने फादर की भी अपने घर की भी. शी इज ए लिटिल हाउस कीपर. शी फॉल्स इन लव विद डेविड बट शी नेवर डिस्क्लोज. एट लास्ट शी मैरिज विद हिम. शी इज द सेकंड वाइफ ऑफ डेविड. डेविड की सेकंड वाइफ है. एज डेविड लिव्ड इन हर हाउस ड्यूरिंग स्कूलिंग डेज, शी बिकम्स द बेस्ट फ्रेंड ऑफ डेविड. David regards her as his sister. She never discloses her love to him. She is well wisher of David. She warns David against his friend James Steerforth. She doesn't like Uriah Heep, who becomes business partner of her father. Uriah Heep takes advantage of her father. Uriah Heep forces her father to get married Agnes. She refuses to marry with him. After Dora's death, Agnes consoles and encourages David to return to his normal life and the profession of writing. While living in Switzerland, David realizes that he loves Agnes. After returning to England, he tries hard to conceal his feeling, but realizing Agnes loves him as well, he proposes her. She accepts his love. They marry quickly and take residence in London. Agnes bears David at least 5 children. Next, character Miss Betsy Trotwood. Miss Betsy is David Copperfield's great aunt. She takes David into her home when he runs away from his evil stepfather's factory. She also educates David at a good school. She takes care of a mentally ill person whose brother did not treat him well. Miss Betsy Trotwood, David's eccentric, kind hearted aunt. She acts as David's second mother. She is one of the most sympathetic characters in the book. She gives David all her savings to settle his life. Betsy was a kind and generous woman. When David reached her as an orphan, at a glance she couldn't recollect his facial structure. She tries her best to settle him in his life. She advises him in motherly way to avoid three vices, तीन बुराइयाँ, meanness, dishonesty and cruelty. Next character, that is Uriah Heep. Uriah Heep is the fictional character created by Charles Dickens in his 1850 novel David Copperfield. Heap is one of the main antagonists of the novel. Antagonist, Khalnayak. He is the villain of the novel. He was very shrewd, ambitious man, काफ़ी चालाक और महत्वाकांक्षी भी है. He had no moral character. Uriah Heep is very cunning and deceitfully learnt from David the secret of Mr. Wickfield's business and private life. Heap took over the entire business of Wickfield in his own hands. He was a hypocrite and cheat. He pretended humility विनम्रता के साथ. He pretended humility and always posed to be a humble man. वो हमेशा विनम्र रहने का प्रयास करता सबके सामने. It was Mr. McIver who at the right time exposed his fraud and saved Wickfield. Finally, Uriah Heep was forced to leave Canterbury for his conspiracy षड्यंत्र के लिए उसको वहाँ से छोड़ना पड़ा. Uriah Heep takes the advantage of Wickfield. Uriah Heep forces Wickfield to get married his daughter Agnes with him, but she refuses to marry with him. He was punished for his wickedness and villainy. उसको अपनी खलनायक के लिए, दुष्टता के लिए सज़ा मिलती है. नेक्स्ट कैरेक्टर, डॉक्टर स्पेनलो. Francis Spenlow is the proctor for whom David works after finishing his studies at Dr. Strong's school. He is generally a good-natured man, but he is very protective of his daughter Dora and absolutely forbids David from marrying her. When he learns their engagement, Mr. Spenlow also spoils Dora, which becomes a problem when it is discovered after Spenlow's sudden death from heart attack that is the deeply in debt. David and Dora eventually marry, but Dora is never entirely able to adjust to less luxurious life she leads after her father's death. So that is the end of the novel. Thank you.